This is how to create the quiz for your group in Google Drive. So you have to physically type in www.google.com. Just because you see this doesn't mean you're actually on the site. You have to see it up here. Over here, you'll see sign in. You click that, and you enter our PrewSeniors2017@gmail.com. That's the login, and the password is Miller17, all lowercase. Click sign in. Then you'll see the waffle up here, and you click that and go down to the drive. When that opens, you're going to click New, go down to More, go over to Google Forms, and click this arrow and click From a Template. So you're going to go New, More, Google Forms, From a Template. On that next screen, you're going to scroll all the way down the template gallery until you see Education. And then you want to click Blank Quiz. Here, this works just like any other Google form. You're going to put your questions in here, and then you'll be able to see your responses there. So the first thing you do is up here, give this your group number. Okay? Type that in there and do the same thing here. And whatever your how-to is. Okay? You don't need anything there. Now you will be able to copy and paste from your existing multiple choice questions that you did, or you can just retype them. So the first question goes here, and you click in there, and you can just retype over it. Okay, make sure it has a question mark. Make sure this says multiple choice. You put your options in. And they can be whatever you want. Okay. And you should have 4. Okay. Then you want to make sure that down below here, you click answer key. Now this thing is saving. All of these are auto save. Okay. Click on answer key and click the right answer. You'll see a check mark appear. Make it 1 point. And then you have to click edit question to get back to the last screen. Okay, now you're going to see a check mark next to the right answer. Then down here, and let me just fix this for a second. Down here, you want to slide that over so that it's required, so they have to answer it. And click these 3 dots here and choose Shuffle Option Order. Okay, that makes the right answer be a different one of the positions every time. And then that's one question. When you're ready, let's say I accidentally add something I don't want, I can either delete it or I can click this X here. If I want to move them around, I can do that there, but I don't need to. When I'm ready for the next question, I just click the plus sign and it gives me another one of the same thing. And I put my next question in there. Now, if I want to preview it, if I want to see what it's going to look like, I go up to this eyeball. Okay, and I can see that. And try it. Okay, let's see what happens. View my score. Oh, I got 0 out of 1 and it tells me the right answer. That's cool. All right, that's a separate tab, so I can close that. When I go back to editing, I can also change the color and stuff if I want. Okay, so I can make it a different color if I really want to. And I'll be able to see my responses here. So it'll give me a little bar graph of which answers everybody picked. That's kind of cool. So that's how you make your quiz in Google. Now, the other thing you need to do is make sure up here, you click Move to Folder and move this item there and into whatever class period. okay, that you have it. So that way when I go back to my drive, it's not just hanging out here by itself. I go to the folder and that's where I see it. Okay, it's right in there. All right, so that's how you do it. If you have any questions, ask me or your neighbors.